Hi and welcome to Infotech Corner. Today I am going to show you how you can create your accounts on Gmail and Facebook. So before proceeding to the video, I would like you to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications. So the first account which I am going to create today is Gmail account. So to create that you need to open any of the browsers to search for Google. So now I have Google Chrome, I'll open it and in search bar I'll type Google. As you can see, the screen appeared. What you need to do is you need to open Google. Now here you will go to the sign in option. Now what you need to do is you need to go to the use another account. In here what you need to do is you need to go to create account, and here you have two options for myself or to manage my business. Now it's up to you if you want to make it for yourself, so you need to press this, or if you want to have your business managed, then you press this. So for now I'm selecting for myself. Now what you need to do is you need to give your first name. So let's, for instance, I'm giving Alex. And then last name, let's say Mason. Here you need to give any of the username. Okay, so let's say Alex Mason one two three. Okay, so let's type a password. Alex 12345. Alex 12345. Now press next. What you are seeing here is that this name is already taken. So what you need to do is you need to either choose any name from these two, or you can give another name. So let's, for instance, I'm selecting Alex Mason 863. Now what I need to do is I need to give a stronger password, which I gave previously was not stronger enough. So I'll type Alex 863 and then 123. Alex again 863 and then 123. Let's say next. Now what you need to do is you need to select your country. By country you will have your country code. So let's say I'm selecting country this, and this has this code, and then you press the number. So you need to select your country and then you press your phone number, which is optional. After that you will see recovery email address. You can give any email if you have. If you don't, then it's also optional, you can leave it. In here you need to give your date of birth, which is month, day and year. And in here what you need to do is you need to select your gender. Then what you need to do is you need to press, let's say I'm selecting male, say next. It is giving an error because I did not select any of them. So let's say January 1st 1999. Sorry, let's say next. I'll leave this. After agreeing to this, it means that you have already accepted the privacy and terms. When you press agree, then your account will be created and you will be sent an email or a message of your number to verify your account. So I hope guys this is clear to you on how to make a Google account. And you can use this account for many usages, like you can use it for web store, slides, documents, Google Drive, Sheets, Gmail, YouTube, contacts, etc. Now up next is how to make a Facebook account. So let's open our browser. Now type in Facebook. So select this option, Facebook login or sign up. Well, this is very simple process. What you need to do is you need to give your first name. Let's give the same name, Alex Mason. Here what you need to do is you need to give a phone number which is active, or an email which you are currently using and you can access, because they are going to send you a 6-digit code so that you can verify your account. So as I had created an Gmail, let's say Alex Mason 863, say at gmail.com. Let's again press it, Alex Mason 8663 at gmail.com. Now what you need to do is you need to give a password, a stronger password. Last time I gave Alex 863 and then 123. Here what you need to do is you need to select your month. Say let's say one month is January, sorry it was date, and this is a year 1999. Now what you need to do is you need to select your gender, say male, or you can select female. Then what you need to do is you need to select sign up. As you can see, they are saying, let us know that this email address belongs to you. Enter the code from the email sent to Alex. As this email does not exist, so I don't and I cannot have the code. So if you have pasted the right Gmail account or mobile number, you will have 6-digit code, and then you need to press it over here. Then you press continue so that your Facebook account is created. This was quite easy. I hope you understood. So guys, this was the process on how you can make a Gmail and a Facebook account. So if you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive notification. And don't forget to share this video. Thanks.